The originators behind Blockstacks contended that tech organizations like the crypto and blockchain industry shouldn't have the ability to control the web. All things considered, it ought to duplicate the first philosophy of start-to-finish association oversaw by the purchasers. The thought for Blockstacks was laid in the doctoral postulation of its prime supporter Munib Ali, who finished his Ph.D. in software engineering from Princeton College. Blockstacks has been a work in progress for quite a while, which generally began in 2013 with another prime supporter named Ryan Shih, a previous programmer. In the wake of being established in Princeton, engineers roped in some seed subsidizing to additional work on their undertaking. Then, a progression of companion explored research distributions were delivered in 2016, which got considerably really subsidizing, and Blockstack wound up raising more than $4 million somewhere in the range of 2016 and 2017. At long last, a $50 million symbolic deal in 2019 ICO brought this cutting-edge crypto to general society, permitting them to purchase and hold the Stacks STX coin. In the wake of being renamed in 2020, STX organization made a remarkable personality for itself and consequently brought about a huge spike in its valuations. Stacks raised from 47 cents to $2.90 inside the initial not many long periods of 2021, once more subsequent to confronting the intensity of all-inclusive benefit booking. STX has arrived at near the past highs. Right now, STX coin and Blockstack PBC hold a gigantic potential in the digital money market with a bullish pattern since they demonstrate their goal and understand a decentralized web. As brilliant agreements and dApps keep on developing on Bitcoin's organization, STX token will bounce new levels before long, with some in any event contending a 100x move in a year. Utilizing Bitcoin's protection and security to oblige its activities is ostensibly one of the extremely intense moves of fostering an environment utilizing BTC. What are Stacks, and how can it respond? Stacks is a Layer 1 blockchain arrangement that tends to brilliant agreement and decentralized applications improvement utilizing the BTC cryptographic money. Since Bitcoin has been generally utilized, it is one of the most reliable crypto networks. Moreover, it resolves the issues of protection and security. Stacks expects to involve it for fostering its brilliant agreements environment for a decentralized web. Stacks means to be the decentralized registering stage for the up-and-coming age of the web. Stacks can be viewed as the application layer of the web, which is presently being worked by organizations like Google and Facebook. Stacks value investigation. Stacks token has been on the exchanging market since October 2019, and there hasn't been any stunning development up to this point. The Stacks STX cost activity has climbed exclusively in 2021 after the renaming hit another high of $2.90, which it is right now meaning to break. The ongoing cost of $2.05 is near 20x of its ICO cost of 12 cents. Stacks value took to the sky at the same time with two occasions. The first was the name change, and one more was the arrival of its mainnet in January 2021. This occasion brought about a bullish pattern in the cost for STX, since stacking BTC gives the chance to mine the token. In the event that the stacking rewards become worthwhile for diggers, one can anticipate a rising interest for the Stacks token. Diggers need to hold no less than 90,000 Stacks STX tokens to take part as a speaker on the Stacks blockchain. Doing this today will cost one around $250,000 USD, taking into account the worth of STX coin to be upwards of $2.35. Stacks STX has shown areas of strength for it to grow out of the contenders, and the Stacks cost activity appears to be undeniably like the Bitcoin cost activity over the most recent 2 years according to our specialized examination. The quick obstruction level creating around $1.58 is somewhat direct, with high any expectations of denoting a breakout. In any case, the shadow on the candle's graph demonstrates areas of strength for it that would require a huge Stacks STX value activity to become moving once more. The following obstruction will $1.78 and the significant opposition will be $1.58. On the month-to-month graph information, we notice the dismissal levels near $2.55 stories rehashed in both October and November 2021 candles. In this way, it can without much of a stretch be concluded that STX faces some difficulty at the pinnacle, which is reproduced in view of a comparable cost pattern on BTC. 96 cents will be going about as prompt help for any benefit setting up for the Stacks STX cryptographic money. The following help will be 77 cents and the significant help will be 49 cents. According to their STX cost forecast, it is projected that the STX cost to outperform $2.19 levels toward the finish of 2022 yet holds a more strong position and bullish pattern by 2027 with an assumption for STX hitting $4.89. In view of STX value forecast of priceprediction.net is advancing a lot better yield. with Stacks STX penetrating $8.64 levels toward the finish of 2026, that is, inside the following 5 years, while their transient cost expectation for the finish of 2022 stands at $1.95. STX will clearly end up being a decent portfolio expansion and beneficial speculation for financial backers' future. According to our Stacks cost expectations, it is normal that the Stacks cost might reach $5.92 following a year. The volumes additionally stayed in a similar reach, and an expansion in volumes had prompted breakout developments. Financial backers can have a long-haul procuring potential while exchanging STX because of its ongoing bullish pattern and our cryptographic money projections information. Stacks Value Expectation 2022. Stacks has acquired some unmistakable quality in 2021 and has shown its capability to execute genuine brilliant contacts on BTC's biological system and organization. There is serious areas of strength for a potential by putting resources into STX. For crypto that has denoted an increase of 400% in 2021, it ought to basically offer a significant return in 2022. Subsequently, an objective of $1 to $2 ought to be acknowledged toward the finish of 2022. For 2022, there is a bullish STX cost expectation. Stacks Value Expectation 2023. Stacks major areas of strength for hold to reflect monstrous gets back from a drawn-out venture. According to the Stacks Value figure and specialized examination, the cost of STX crypto is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of $1.71. The STX cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.08 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.91 in 2023. Stacks Value Forecast 2024. STX value expectation is bullish for the drawn-out in view of enormous local area and huge reception. The most extreme cost of Stacks might reach $2.15 before the current year's over. The STX cost is supposed to hit a base degree of $1.59 in 2024 with a typical cost of $1.82 all through 2024. Thus, putting resources into Stacks at the ongoing value levels will be productive in the long haul. Stacks Value Forecast 2025. A long time from this point, during 2018, we saw BTC ascend from a 4-digit number to a 5-digit number in US dollars. The explanation was its capacity worth and fuse of supplanting government-issued types of money. This multitude of variables and monetary drawdown made all the difference for the development of BTC. During the brilliant time of 2017 to 2021, BTC has moved by in excess of multiple times, taking into account around 50% of the development direction in Stacks STX once it starts baiting shrewd agreement clients from ETH and SOL organizations to its stacking biological system. The cost could reach $2.75 in the year 2025. Stacks Value Forecast 2026 and then some. The cost could confront adjustment in the year 2026 with the cost of $2.50 with the base cost of $2.12 and the typical cost of $2.30. Is Stacks a wise speculation? Indeed, Stacks is a